Imagine this 10 to 15 years from now, you wake up one morning, check your account, and there's enough money to pay for your kids' college or maybe even retire early, all because you invested just $100 a week. Today, I'm starting a challenge that could make that happen, and I want you to join with me. So far, on this channel, we have been investing whenever we spot opportunities like stocks, options, and ETFs. But today, I'm making a big change. I'm going to invest every single week no matter what the market is doing. Why? Because timing the market is almost impossible, but time in the market is what builds real wealth. I'm starting this challenge for myself, and I encourage everyone watching this to start with me. Over a 10 to 15 year period, we can accumulate wealth in safe assets with this strategy. So, here's the challenge. I'll deposit $500 every month into my Robinhood account on a recurring basis. Then, every single week, I'll buy $50 worth of SCHD, which is Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, and $50 worth of IBIT, which is iShare Bitcoin ETF. That's $100 a week. And I'll explain in a minute how that tiny habit can grow into a massive portfolio over time. So stay tuned. The reason for choosing SCHD is that it contains top 100 dividend paying US equities with an expense ratio of just 0.06%, which is very minimal. If you look at its average annual return over a 10-year period, it's given 11%. It has total assets under management of $69.9 billion. We are putting our money to work in a safe asset that grows 11%, provides dividends, and gives stability and peace of mind for our investing journey. There are two main reasons for doing this. The first one is for people saving for their kids' college education or retirement. This is one of the best ways to do it yourself instead of relying on 529 plans or other managed options, because this approach can give you better returns over time if managed properly. And the second reason is you can access this money anytime for emergencies, or if you have accumulated a lot of shares over time, you can use the dividends as a source of income to either reinvest or cover your bills. Now, let's talk about IBIT. The reason I'm choosing IBIT is because Bitcoin is becoming a standard asset like gold, and over time, countries, institutions, and even brokers will hold it as a safe haven asset alongside stocks. Recently, President Donald Trump even announced he wants to give 401k accounts access to Bitcoin so people can boost their retirement returns. I personally believe Bitcoin has huge potential, and by adding and accumulating in our portfolios, it can give at least 15% return over 10 to 15 years. And I'm being very conservative here. On the upside, it could be 20 to 30%. It currently has an expense ratio of 0.25%, which is still low compared to other Bitcoin ETFs. There's no 10-year annual return data yet since it's a new fund, but it already has an assets under management of $86 billion. Alright, since I will invest $50 into SCHD and $50 into IBIT every week, that's only $100 weekly and $400 monthly. So you may ask, where does the rest of the $100 go? My plan is to use this amount to buy stocks or ETFs when they fall. We need to invest in the stock market when there's panic or high volatility, when everyone is scared. If you look at history, everyone who invested during crisis made a fortune, like 2000 dot-com bubble, 2008 housing crash, 2020 COVID crash, and even smaller corrections like the tariff disputes, Russia-Ukraine war, and more. Most retail investors panic when the market drops 10%, 20%, or more. But that's exactly when we should be buying. This extra $100 a month is my rainy day cash for those moments, and especially when the fear and greed index is in the extreme fear zone. Before I show you the numbers, I'm only putting $50 weekly because I'll still be investing when I see opportunities. And I already have positions in these ETFs. I'll share those here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and follow my journey if you like this strategy. Alright, now for SCHD, my initial investment is $5,000 because I already have 212 shares in this account. My monthly contribution is $200. The time horizon is 15 years. I'm 32 years now, and I have at least 15 years until my kids reach college. And my estimated interest rate is 11% based on the historical returns. After 15 years, this grows to $106,000 where my investment was only $41,000. And remember, we'll keep buying more shares when opportunities arise. And for IBIT, my initial investment is $1,000, monthly contribution is $200, estimated time is 15 years, and estimated interest rate is 15%. Bitcoin is expected to outperform SCHD in the long term. After 15 years, this grows to $122,000 with an investment of $37,000. In total, that's $228,000, which I believe is more than enough for my kids' college fees. And on top of this weekly investment, I'll be adding more shares when the market is panicking, which could easily double the outcome to $500,000. $500,000 could cover college costs, boost retirement savings, or provide passive income through dividends. Income that comes in without lifting a finger. All I am doing is setting myself up for a peaceful life by contributing $100 weekly. The money I could easily waste on things that I don't matter in the long term, like smoking, drinking, or random outings. I'm not against enjoying life, but I'm against habits that hurt your health and peace of mind. Alright, now let's put this into action. I'll do this live here. First, we'll set up our monthly recurring deposits. To do that, if you are using Robinhood on your laptop or computer, click on Accounts tab on the top right corner, then click on Transfers from the drop down, and now click on Transfer Money option. And here I'm putting $500 as the amount. Select your bank account from which you want to bring money in, and then select the account. If you have multiple accounts in Robinhood like retirement or regular, you can choose so. And now select the frequency as monthly, and this will deposit first of every month, and then click review transfer and finally schedule deposit. There we go. We just finished the first step and I did live here in this video. So you can see me how long I can take this challenge. Alright, now that we have our deposits coming in, so let's schedule our recurring investments. To do that, I'll first go to SCHD. In order type drop down, select recurring investment. Set amount as $50. Select the start date. I would like to start today, which is August 11th. Let's set frequency to weekly. Payment option will be from buying power. This is your unused cash in your account. And if you want backup option, you can do so, but I'll leave this as none for now. And finally, review order and submit. There we go. We just scheduled our weekly SCHD investment. Now let's do the same for IBIT. I'll select the amount as $50. Frequency is weekly and I'll review, and there we go, submit. There we go. You just saw me do this live. Let's see how long I can keep this challenge going. If this was helpful, drop a comment below and tell me, are you taking this challenge with me? How much will you invest each week? Do you agree with SCHD and IBIT, or do you have any other ETFs you prefer? If you are new here, please like this video so it reaches more people and share this knowledge so they can build wealth with us. And finally, subscribe for more investing insights. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.